Hello and welcome back to another Tech Pro ATL video. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a reactive audio spectrum in Adobe After Effects 2020. First, drag in your WAV file or any other audio file. Next, create a layer. I highly recommend using a solid layer. And then finally, go to Effects and Presets to look up Audio Spectrum. Drag it into the layer, and then change this feature to test1.wav. You are now complete. However, there are more things you can do with the audio spectrum. First, the hue, which will change the color variation. These are for more specific color changes. And then the maximum height, I would recommend 10,000. This may seem much, although upon looking at it, you will realize why I choose 10,000. Now, let's watch it. Be sure to like and subscribe. So this is very good, however there's more we can do. Deleting this layer and its contents, I will now create a new layer. Once again a solid layer, and in this layer I will create a circle. So, aligning it to the center, and now once again dragging in the reactive audio spectrum. From here, I can add in the audio file, and then from the path option, I can change it to be circular. So once again, changing the height to about 5,000 for circles, and then the hue again to change it to a nicer shape and color variation. Now let's watch. Be sure to like and subscribe. This is very good, however, because this is a line just stretched into a circle, there will be lines going on the inside. So if you make the lines bigger or the maximum height, you will end up having some overlaps. To fix this, I'd recommend choosing a more reasonable height and then adding an image to the center as you see with most. So if I go back to Project and then I go to File, Import, File, I can find a robot I found. So I'll add this robot into here. I will then trim it down to be more reasonable. Of course, if I were doing this professionally or for one of my videos, I would do it in a more better fashion. So now playing it, you can see that the lines don't overcross because there's an image inside. Be sure to like and subscribe. So as a result of this, I can now change the size of the lines. However, I don't want to, as this is irrelevant and the main tutorial is over. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. Be sure to like and subscribe if this was helpful, and if you know anyone who could benefit from this, be sure to send them the link to this video or use the share feature. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.